Linking your bank to Bell Bank is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Access your Bell Bank account. Log into your Bell Bank online banking account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to the linking section. Once logged in, look for the account settings or link bank account option in the main menu. This section is where you will initiate the linking process. Step 3. Enter your bank information. Fill in the required fields with your bank account details, including your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 4. Verify your identity. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the link. After entering your information and completing the verification, review the details and confirm the link. You should receive a notification confirming that your bank account has been successfully linked to your Bell Bank account. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Bell Bank and enjoy seamless financial management. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bell Bank's customer support for assistance.